Using your PC monitor for Xbox One, a simple guide.
Hey there! Ever wondered if you could use your PC monitor as a display for your Xbox One using HDMI? Good news, it's entirely possible. This video will guide you step by step on how to achieve it. You'll be gaming on your monitor in no time.
What do you need?
Before we begin, let's gather all necessary components. Here's what you'll need. 1. Xbox One console. 2. PC monitor with an HDMI input. 3. HDMI cable. If your monitor doesn't have an HDMI input but instead has a DVI or VGA input, you'll need to use an HDMI to DVI or HDMI to VGA converter.
How to connect your Xbox One to your PC monitor.
Now that you have everything, let's proceed with the setup. Step 1. Power off your Xbox One and PC monitor. Step 2. Locate the HDMI output on your Xbox One and the HDMI input on your PC monitor. Step 3. Connect one end of the HDMI cable to the HDMI output on the Xbox One and the other end to the HDMI input on your PC monitor. Step 4. Turn on your Xbox One and the PC monitor. Step 5. Select the appropriate HDMI input on your monitor. If everything is done correctly, you should now be able to see your Xbox One interface on your PC monitor.
What if my monitor doesn't have HDMI input?
If your PC monitor doesn't have an HDMI input, you'll need to use a converter. Simply connect the HDMI end of the converter to your Xbox One and the other end, DVI or VGA, to your monitor. Then select the appropriate input on your monitor. Please note that while DVI can handle high-resolution video like HDMI, VGA may not support the high-definition output from your Xbox One, potentially leading to lower-quality images. And there you have it. You've successfully used your PC monitor as a display for your Xbox One. We hope this guide was straightforward and helpful. Enjoy your gaming sessions on your newly connected Xbox One and monitor setup. Remember, always ensure that the devices are turned off before connecting or disconnecting any cables to prevent any potential damage. Happy gaming!